What up, YouTube? It is Ben here with Bearded Spruce for another update on our 1972 Safari Airstream land yacht. As you can see, we got the flooring in. We've done a ton of work the last couple of weeks. We're gonna walk through it with you. First thing we did was painted and did a sealant coat on the entire frame, front to back. Here's the painted frame. Also drilled holes in the new cross member to attach the wood piece I'm going to cut out here. You also notice that I cut some support pieces to connect the new piece with the old plywood that's still good in place. Just like they had the seam in the original design, I'm kind of mimicking that with these edge pieces. In case you're wondering, I did paint the entire frame underneath. I'm not doing the axles because I'm replacing those, but everywhere else got a primer for rust, as well as this black paint. And here's the Rust-Oleum, just a flat black oil-based. This stuff smells really bad, but it's pretty awesome. It almost has like a rubbery texture to it. Like, not quite, it's just kind of thick and really good. And lastly, we put the subflooring in, as well as a liner down it was waterproof, as well as a little bit of padding and tiny bit of insulation, but for the most part it was just that waterproof membrane with the recycled material that you can see here. We got the underlayment down, the subfloor all put back together and bolted down to the new frame, and now we're going to work on the actual floorboards. I want to take a quick moment to shout out to my wife Carlene and my sister Becca. They were a huge help in this process. As you can see, it's just doing one row here in this video, but there was a lot to do in making this floor go down. My sister actually put all the underlayment down, which was awesome, and then it was just great to have them opening packages and getting the wood planks ready for me to install. It was just awesome to have them doing this step. Also, my wife wanted to be able to pick out exactly where all the veins and the color spots were, so that was great because I just got to focus on installing the flooring. Here's the product. I'll link to it in the description below. It's actually a Lowe's exclusive product, but the important thing to look for when you're picking a flooring product is that it is waterproof, pet-proof, and something that will last for a long time. This one actually has an attached pad, so you don't necessarily have to have the padding, but you can see the inside-out roll of the padding that we chose. This turned out really well. It's a really cool textured with some natural looking vein through it, and I think it's going to do a great job protecting the subfloor as well as just kind of keeping it nice and cozy in here. Well, that's all we got for this week. Thanks so much for joining. I'm excited to continue this journey. If you are enjoying my content and you're enjoying this exploration of how to renovate an Airstream, feel free to subscribe to my videos, smash that like button, and make sure to continue joining every time I upload a video. Fortunately, I don't do this full time, so it's not exactly an every week type of video like I was hoping for, but slow and steady wins the race, right? So feel free to leave a comment below if there's any questions or comments you have on the products I've used in this video or other videos, and we'll see you next time.